Hello YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Stacking Perpetrator here. This video we're going to look at something a little different than coins. It's a package that came in while I was gone on my road trip up to see Daniel in Portsmouth, Ohio. Now this is not coin related. I'm going to answer a question. Somebody said I should never wear gloves, handle my coins without gloves. The reason I wear gloves for my videos is because of my profession. I do heat and air and I do plumbing. And if you've never got inside the heat and air equipment and some plumbing stuff, there is very sharp metal. They don't finish off the edges. It's easy. I'm all the time getting scrapes and scratches and just nasty boo-boos. And so that's why I wear the gloves. I don't wear gloves off camera. Dealing with my coins. I only wear the gloves for the camera. So anyways, let's open this up. Now this Rippaverse, I'll leave a link in the description to his channel. He is he's had a podcast for a long time, and he talks about politics and but then he's big time into comics. So he decided to, with all the political crap that's going on with DC and Marvel and all that, he decided to create his own comic book. I've never been much into comics when I was a kid, but I liked what he was presenting and stuff, and I wanted to get in on the ground floor. He offered his first issue in 3 cover types, and then you could have got signatures. I missed out on the first 2 and the signature on the third cover. So it's cover A, cover B, and cover C. I did get an order in for cover C, along with some what he calls Doogie Man cards, little 5x7 cards, special thing. This was all a pre-order campaign, and covers A and B have been shipped out. Cover C, I'm still waiting on that, but it's just a timing thing. He's doing all the packaging pretty much himself. Well, he has some family help and stuff to he's packaging up his own comics. He had these boxes made specifically to make sure the comics got to you undamaged. And like I said, I was not able to get in and purchase because there was a limited amount of cover A and cover B that were done. So I had to go on the secondary market onto eBay, and so far I actually picked up A and B cheaper than what they have been going for. And as you can see, it was a really nice packaging, so I'm hoping this seller sent me a good product. And it looks like they did. Now this is ISOM. Back this up a little bit. This is, and the light's going to interfere. This is Eric July. This is ISOM number 1. This is cover A. And then look at the, I'll have to slide it out of the package. But that's cover A. And this is cover B. So far, B is the lowest printing out of all of it, out of A, B, and C. This is the least printed. No, these are not the signed ones. He used a gold pen to put his signature across. So these do not have signatures. I'm going to go ahead and one thing he did do when they were packaging up, because they boarded and sleeved these themselves. If I'm not mistaken, they put the flap backwards. They brought it over the front instead of over the back. But it's cover 1. Beautiful artwork. It is a thick. It's like 96 pages. There is one advertisement in it. Eric July, Cliff Richards, and Gabe Tab. I don't know how to, I'm not a big comic person, so I don't know that. These two guys are supposedly really known names that he hired on to do some of the artwork and stuff. But let's take a look at some of the artwork in here. Just amazing stuff. And my light is gonna glare down on it. Even in the front. Here is supposed to be a yeah, you put out a thank you note in the front. He was tired of all the wokeism that was happening with the comics and destroying the industry, and so he came up with his own comic book series. He's already starting to work on number 2 and number 3. This amazing artwork. Just amazing artwork and everything. So I'm interested in reading the story. I'm gonna wait. I actually have 2 cover C's coming to me. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to get this back into its board. Let's take a look at cover B. I think I'm going to send these off and I'm going to send a copy of, well, the cover B, and one of my cover C's off to get graded, just to have them. And then my second cover C, the back, it's only the cover that changes. The back is still exactly the same design. The only thing that changed was the cover, but just amazing artwork. A lot of channels are talking about this, doing unboxings and stuff, and some of them do spoilers. I'm not going to do any spoilers. Just want to show that I got these. And I will leave a link to his YouTube channel, and then I will leave a link to his website. These are all sold out right now. I think cover C, I think, is still available for purchase, but you're gonna be a while waiting on it, because they had a campaign, and after a certain time they cut everything off, and then if you purchased after the cutoff date's already came and gone, if you purchase after that, you're gonna have it'll be like late November before they get to orders after that cutoff date, and that's only for cover C. But happy to have these and everything, showing my support for another YouTube channel. I'll be interested in reading the story, but like I said, I'm going to wait for my cover C's to come in, and when that comes in, I'll show you that, because that has the cards that come with it. I have 2 cover C's and 2 sets of the cards, so I will probably send 1 set of the cards in to have those graded also, just to put back. I think he's going to be up and coming. So far, everybody that's read the story, they're interested in it. They're ready for issue 2. They want to know what happens. There's no wokeism within his universe of these characters. So, and that's what he set out to do. And very nice artwork on these. So anyways, let me know your thoughts down below, and I will see you on another video. And I will, as soon as I get my cover C, I will show that and those Dookie Man cards. Until then, I'll see you on another video.